Hey guys, I'm Shazia from Techno Unboxing, and in this video I'll be showing you the top 5 features of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So starting off with the first feature is the S Pen Air actions, which makes it very easy to control your phone without even touching it. So all you have to do is take out the S Pen, and on the S Pen there's a little button. Hold the button and do the gestures. If you are viewing a photo, just hold the button on the S Pen and do the left gesture to go to the next photo or video. And if you do that to the right, it goes back. And one of the best thing is you can even control the volume. Hold the button, swipe up and hold it. It continues to increase the volume. And hold the button and swipe down, it decreases the volume. And on the number 2 is that if you tap and hold on a picture, you can get the cutout of the person. You can just move it anywhere and you can even copy it, share and save as an image. And it saves as a transparent background PNG photo. Number 3 is if you go into the settings, under the display you have this motion smoothness settings. Select adaptive and apply. And now when you scroll, it makes the animation very smooth as it gets up to 120 Hz of refresh rate. But it also consumes a little more battery, whereas the standard uses less battery and gives you up to 60 Hz refresh rate. Number 4, swipe down and in the quick panel, tap on 3 dots and edit button. And when you swipe right, you will find this extra dim. Tap and hold and move it to the quick panel. And it's done. And at the night time when you turn it on, it makes your screen extra dim, so the brightness won't hurt your eyes. It makes impossible to see the display at the daytime. And in the brightness settings, turn on extra brightness. And now it makes the display very bright, so you won't have any problem when using the phone in direct sunlight. Number 5, tap on the S Pen and go into the settings. And in the more S Pen settings, turn on this option. And now whenever you turn off the phone or forgot your S Pen behind, it gives you this warning that the S Pen is not inside your phone, which is very helpful. And with the S Pen you can directly write on the text box rather than using your keyboard, which makes it very easy to quickly write something that you want to search, or also you can write a message. It works perfectly well. So yeah, these are the few features and I hope you find these features useful. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.